Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about are virtual data rooms suitable for secure project management. So the answer is yes. Virtual data room can be suitable for secure project management, while VDR is commonly used for secure document sharing and mergers and acquisition, due diligence and financial transaction. Their features make them well suited for managing projects securely as well. Here are some reasons why VDRs can be beneficial for secure management. Number 1. Centralized document management. VDRs provide a centralized platform to store, organize project-related documents, ensuring that all team members have access to the necessary files in secure manner. Document can be uploaded for centralized, categorized, and version control within the VDR, facilitating efficient collaboration and eliminating risks associated with multiple file sharing methods. Number 2. User access control. VDRs allow administrators to assign specific access rights and permission to individual or groups, ensuring that only authorized team members can edit, view and download project documents. General access control can enable administrators to tailor access privileges based on the user role and responsibilities, enhancing security comparability. So, secure collaboration. VDRs offer built-in collaboration feature that enable team members to work together on the document securely. Number 4. Data encryption. VDRs prioritize data security by implementing robust encryption protocols to protect the confidentiality of document and communication. Number 5. Audit trails and activity logs. VDRs typically provide comprehensive audit trails and activity logs that track user action within the platform. Number 6. Version control and document history. VDRs often include version control features that help manage document revision and track changes made by different team members. Number 7. Secure communication.